No be government give Atiku title, and so government no go fit strip am of the title. Dare Adelekan. Welcome to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, one Dare Adelekan na seasoned strategic and sterling public relations maverick. E get reputation as A-list consultant and seasoned polymath when government and the public dey seek to do their job. E don throw im weight behind the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar over the title when government dey claim say dey strip am from. E say no be government give am the title, and so the same Adamawa government no go come up to say dey strip am of the title. According to im opinion on the matter when e dey for ground, e say traditional titles for our rich tapestry of Nigerian heritage, e say na sacred institutions when e dey rooted for ancestry, history, and communal trust. E say these titles, whether na for Sokoto, Benin, Kano, Oyo or Adamawa, e say they dey confer them, but no be governments, but na traditional rulers who dey act as custodians of culture and guardians of communal legacy. E con say that na why any insinuation, no matter how small, say government go fit take Atiku Abubakar title of Turaki or Waziri of Adamawa from am, e no dey only constitutionally absurd, but e dey culturally offensive. E say make we dey clear. E say both titles dey bestow am on Atiku Abubakar by the Lamido of Adamawa, the traditional and spiritual leader of the Adamawa Emirate. E say for 1982, they give am Turaki, and for 2017, they give am Waziri respectively. These honors, according to am, e dey rooted for Atiku's service to im community, in philanthropy, and in unchecking loyalty to the emirate, not be to any government appointment or partisan politics. He said these na cultural affirmations and not be political endorsements. So how come any government, whether federal or state, they claim the authority to withdraw wetin e no give? Say e go be like the federal government when they attempt to strip a chief of Oyo of the title of Are Ona Kakanfo when the Alafin dey bestow, or a Saki title when the Emir of Kano dey confer. E say e not only dey legally unenforceable, e dey morally and culturally hollow. According to am, the Nigerian Constitution, while e dey grant the government oversight over local government councils and chieftaincy laws for the concurrent list, it respects the autonomy of traditional institutions. No section of the Constitution empower the executive or legislature to revoke a traditional title unless the traditional council or the royal authority when it bestow that title initiate the process. He say even for cases where title holders dey guilty of criminal or treasonable conduct, the decision to strip them of titles it remain with the traditional authority. The Lamido of Adamawa, he never expressed any displeasure with Waziri Atiku Abubakar, and in the emirate not issue any formal repudiation of his status. So where this noise come dey come from? According to Dare, it dey unfortunate, say for the heat of political rivalry or electoral desperation, some actors dey seek to weaponize tradition They drag the revered institutions of our fathers into the mud of partisan manipulation. This one must stop. A con talk say traditional titles must remain above politics. He say dem no go use am as tools of intimidation or political score settling. He say no be perks of public office, but na symbols of cultural esteem and personal character. If any issue dey with the title holder behaviour or conduct, na the palace, no be the presidency, na get the prerogative to act. The Lamido of Adamawa, like all respected monarchs across Nigeria, im deserve that respect. To override im judgment, e go dey to undermine the very cultural foundations of the Nigerian Federation. Waziri Atiku Abubakar na politician, but in relationship with Adamawa Emirate, e predate im time for politics and e go likely outlive am. E bin Turaki before e become vice president. E become waziri not by campaign, na but by character. Make dem respect that one. According to am, e come say to protect the sanctity of traditional titles. E say dem no dey defend individuals, but dey defend the institutions. This perspective when Dare Adelekan dey bring into this matter, so many people go see am say, well, e dey make sense because the sequence dey logical, but others come dey talk say government dey strip am of the title because of the activity of government, not be the activity of the traditional institution. That if by government edict dem don recreate the chiefdoms dem, and government dey say the one wey dey take give am the title before not dey inside the areas wey e qualify to hold title, that one na a different ball game altogether. So the contention now not be the title when the traditional ruler bequeath or bestow on the waziri and the turaki, but na government when dey talk now say dem don recategorize the state, and that one na their function, and so people outside some particular district no go fit parade those type of titles because they consider them as non-indigene. So the issue here now, na government dey do their function or they dey play politics with the traditional institution. Na that matter na e come be like the kernel to crack. Country people, wetin una think about wetin Dare Adelekan talk and the government position on stripping Turaki of his title?